Welcome to InstantGMP. In this video, we're excited to introduce InstantGMP's equipment logs, designed specifically for FDA-regulated companies and now featuring a responsive design. This module empowers clients to efficiently manage, execute, and track equipment-related tasks with ease. As we explore the equipment logs section, you'll find a comprehensive list of equipment, each displaying various service statuses. Red indicates equipment is not fit for use, yellow signals pending quality activities, and green signifies equipment is fit for production. Clicking on the equipment number takes you to the electronic equipment log, starting with a cover page displaying essential information such as the ID number, its current status, and responsible parties depending on the task. Moving to the next tab, you can review and trace all historical activities associated with the equipment, including usage, status changes, and quality checks like calibrations. Users are required to sign off on activities ensuring automatic recording of the who, what, when, and why. One of our clients' favorite features is the task scheduler, where you can set up milestones and quality objectives based on regulatory guidelines. For example, you can schedule quarterly preventative maintenance for a balance. Depending on inputs, these tasks can run for a set time or indefinitely. Reporting on the efficacy of these events is crucial, so end users utilize the ad hoc section to upload printouts, third-party calibration reports, or other supporting documentation. InstantGMP, making equipment management easier.